day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good 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 day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do the after.
This week it's a YouTube takeover with me. We just got out of the backcountry, got eaten alive by some mosquitoes this morning, so we got an early start, but we enjoyed all the beautiful views at Lee Lake, and headed into town for a chore day. It was raining a little while ago, but now it's cleared up. And our first stop was baked goods. I really have been wanting a donut for a week, but we went to 3 different places and no donuts. So I got a apple turnover, Wes got a sticky bun, and we got some coffee. And then we will go fill up our water tank and do laundry and grocery shop. So we're in Jackson Hole, and there's a big cowboy theme. We're debating whether Texas or Wyoming has more cowboys. Wes desperately wanted to ride this Wells Fargo chuck wagon looking thing around town, but I just said, you know, Wes, we just don't have time today. We got so many chores to do. So he's a little distraught, but I think a touristy pig in front of the antlers will really cheer him up. So we have 1.5 chores down. We're currently at the laundromat, and while Wes is inside using the Wi-Fi to do some research on how to get into Yellowstone later, I am organizing the van, unpacking from our backpacking trip. We took the sheets off the bed to wash them, and yeah, and then we'll head to the grocery store. We just finished up our most expensive shopping trip yet at Albertsons of Jackson Hole, which according to David Chang is awesome, and it's the highest grossing Albertsons in the nation, so we went twice. Shout out to David Chang. He mentioned it on last week's Recipe Club, ironically, and we happened to be here. So we spent $202, but it'll get us a lot of meals. We're on the road again, headed to Montana. Taking a bathroom break at a rest stop on the way up to Missoula to get us closer to Glacier for tomorrow, and I am making some Mediterranean salad pita pockets. Chef Wes, what you making tonight?
KFC, Korean fried chicken. Making the Korean sauce for the fried chicken. dredging the chicken in the flour to get it crispy when you put it in the grill. And just make sure you have every piece of the chicken coated. Bon appétit.
Wes, what you making?
Pop, pop. Popcorn. This is our 4th campsite we've stayed at in the national park for Glacier. It is such a short season here because of the amount of snow and how far north we are. And so all the campsites are super packed. So if you're trying to get a first come first serve site, you have to get here like 8 in the morning to get one. They are very hard to come by.
inches, got dressed, and now we're on the trail. Great hike today. Now we're back at camp, relaxing for a little while, having a snack. We'll read, enjoy the view, write some letters, write in our journal, maybe play cards, and hang out until dinner time.